How to get rid of moles with Bounce Fabric Softener. Moles can destroy your landscaping and garden. You may have tried expensive traps or repellents, but a proven method may be right in your laundry room. Consider using Bounce Fabric Softener sheets to repel moles. It has been used to get rid of spiders and can also rid your yard of moles. The smell is unpleasant for moles, and encourages them to leave your yard. Things you'll need: Bounce Fabric Softener sheets. Shovel. Purchase the original scent of Bounce Fabric Softener sheets. Do not use the liquid because the soil will absorb it. Insert 2 or 3 sheets inside the mole holes. Do not simply lay them on top of the hole. Stuff them inside. Cover the holes with dirt after you stuff them with Bounce Fabric Softener sheets. Monitor the holes and note if the dirt has been moved. This lets you know if the fabric softener sheets are working. Also, check the yard for other holes. The moles may have changed directions, but still remain in your yard.